Welcome to Math Corner with JL. In this video, you will learn writing and graphing inequalities. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that compares expressions. It contains the symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. To write a word sentence as an inequality, look for the following phrases to determine where to place the inequality symbols. So we have here the inequality symbols and the key phrases. So for the symbol less than, the key phrases are is less than and is fewer than. For the greater than symbol, is greater than and is more than. For the symbol less than or equal to, the key phrases are is less than or equal to, is at most, and is no more than. For this symbol greater than or equal to, the key phrases are is greater than or equal to, is at least, and is no less than. First part of this lesson, writing inequality. For example 1, a number n plus 2 is less than or equal to negative 7. So we have here a number n, so write down n. Then we have plus 2, write down plus 2. And then the keywords is less than or equal to. So we will write down the symbol is less than or equal to. And then we have negative 7, write down negative 7. So the inequality is n plus 2 is less than or equal to negative 7. Next part is checking solutions. So tell whether negative 2 is a solution of y minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 6. So we will substitute negative 2 to the unknown y. So this is negative 2 minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 6. So negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. Then write the symbol greater than or equal to negative 6. Now here, negative 7 is greater than or equal to negative 6 is not true, because negative 7 is less than negative 6. So this is not true. Therefore, negative 2 is not a solution. Next example, tell whether negative 3 is a solution of negative 4b is less than 15. So the same thing, we will substitute negative 3 to the unknown b. So we will write down negative 4, and then b is negative 3, write down negative 3 is less than 15. Then multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. And you are multiplying like signs, which will give you a positive answer. So the answer is positive 12. Write the symbol and then 15. So here, 12 is less than 15, which is true. Therefore, negative 3 is a solution. Part C of this lesson, graphing inequalities. So we all know that the symbols of inequalities are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So let's take this as example. M is greater than 9. So we will draw a number line. And we will put 9 at the middle. So write down 9 here. And all numbers at the left of 9 are 8, 7, 6, and so on. And the numbers at the right of 9 are 10, 11, 12, and so on. And you notice that the numbers to the left of 9 are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And the numbers to the right of 9 are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Now it says here m is greater than 9. So we will graph 9 right here. So we will draw a circle. And then since m is greater than, so that means m is any numbers to the right of 9. So we will draw like this, to the right, because it is greater than 9. Then we use an open circle here. That means 9 is not included. So all the numbers that are greater than 9. We will try this. P is less than -3. So we will draw a number line and write -3 at the middle. So numbers to the left of -3, we have -4, -5. To the right of -3, we have -2, -1, 0. Then we will graph. So -3 in the middle, draw an open circle, which means -3 is not included. And then since P is less than, that means all numbers to the left of -3 because it is less than. So this is how your graph looks like. Okay, this one. Y is greater than or equal to -6. So we will draw a number line. -6 at the middle. So numbers to the left of -6, we have -7, -8. To the right of -6, we have -5, -4. Then we will graph. So it says here y is greater than or equal to. So that means -6 is included because it says greater than or equal to. So -6 is included. So we will draw a closed circle. Closed circle means this -6 is included. And it says here y is greater than or equal to. So that means all numbers to the right of -6. So you will draw your graph like that. So greater than is direction to the right. Less than, the direction is to the left. Next, W is less than or equal to 4. So draw a number line. 4 in the middle. And then numbers to the left of 4, we have 3, 2. To the right of 4, we have 5, 6. So it says here, less than or equal to 4. So that means 4 is included because it says less than or equal to. So we will draw a closed circle. So less than or equal to, that means the direction is to the left. So all numbers to the left of 4. So your graph looks like this. So for the symbol less than or greater than, you will use an open circle. And for the symbol less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you will use a closed circle. I hope you learned something from our lesson today. If you find this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified of our next video.